JNFN. Active balancing, emerging liquid.
Dual-layer structure and ultra-compact size.
Adapting transformer-based bidirectional balancing tech, integrating an efficient balancing strategy, achieving one self-bell and voltage sampling, multi-funk, smart compact and series, featuring fully integrated Bluetooth, easily connecting the self-developed app, supports 1000 mAh active balancing.
Incorp DC-DC pre-discharge tech, enabling smoother startup. Compatible with diverse application scenarios, including electric vehicles, adopting high-quality connectors.
Enhanced rail and stability.
NT and JNFN with over a decade of dedicated R&D efforts. UNT Active Balance BMS. Brand new, on the market.